Hi, I'm Skylar. If you'd like to make Firefox refresh every 5 seconds on any given page, you might want to check out an add-on called Refresh Every... Yeah, it's like that. All right, so go into Tools and Add-ons, and search for this, Reload Every, and this is version 17. Down at the bottom, click Install, and it'll load this extension. Restart Firefox. So once you've restarted Firefox, go to a web page which you'd like to reload at a specific interval. I'm just going to pick the New York Times for fun, and right-click or context-click anywhere on the page. You'll see something new in your menu, Reload Every. So you can choose an interval, even a custom one or a random one, and click Enable. So now Firefox will reload this tab every 10 seconds. If I want to change that interval, I just right-click again, go to Reload Every, and click 5 seconds. So now Firefox will reload this tab every 5 seconds. Thanks for watching. I'm Skylar.